This is the old Cockroach. I'm here with Cockroach baby number 4, and we're gonna play Demolition Incorporated. I hope you enjoy it. If you don't, I don't care. Just in case you wonder. Oh, Cockroach, that's right. Cockroach. We're not gonna watch this because you're not. And just excuse this. I'm gonna turn the music down so I can concentrate on talking, because I don't have the ability to talk to you and maintain.
Are you talking to me?
No, dear, I'm talking to the nice people. Can you say hello, nice people?
Hello, nice people.
Right here, baby.
Hello, nice people.
It's baby Cockroach. Cockroach number 4. Female. 3 years old. Just in case you're wondering. And we're doing Demolition Incorporated right now because it's it's something that I will play with my children. I don't plan on playing Saints Row the Third or Skyrim or something else with my children, but we'll play this because nothing's more pleasant than UFOs destroying the Earth. I just, I get a warm feeling inside each time I think about it. Yes. Let's destroy things. This game is, I got it off of Steam. Oops. I really enjoy this game. It's a neat little game. Less than $10, and if you get it on a holiday weekend or something, great. I think I paid like $4 for it, and it's enough to sit around and keep your kids entertained with. And I'm not on the upper end of the intellectual ladder, so I find it to be quite a distraction of myself. What, Madeline? I'm talking to you and the nice people. What do you wish to say? Yes, you can hear it.
Thanks.
You gonna tell the people what's going on the screen?
What's going on the screen?
No, tell them what Daddy's doing in the cars.
I'm the hey people. Knocking those now. Hey people, I love you. Okay, the people, I love you.
That's good. That's good.
But I don't know.
You don't know them, but you still love them.
I don't know the names of the people.
Well, we just say people, and they know who they are. We love all of these structures that are destroyed.
Okay.
Just, shoot good wills.
Good rules, sake, and
It is the holiday video, December 2nd, 2011.
huh? We won.
Yay!
Till ain't we win?